In our last video, we animated the journey of a data packet through the TCP/IP layers, from the application layer down to the network. But what does that actually look like on a real network? Today on Kali Linux, we're going to capture a real packet and see the theory come to life. Welcome back. I'm Jason, and this is where we bridge the gap between concepts and practice. In this tutorial, we will 1. Use a tool called Wireshark to capture live network traffic. 2. Generate a simple network request to create a packet. 3. Analyze that packet and identify the exact layers and headers we talked about in the 3D animation. By the end, you'll be able to see the structure we visualized happening in real time. Theory come to life. Let's get started. Start up your Kali Linux machine. For this, we will use a tool called Wireshark, the world's most famous network protocol analyzer, and it comes pre-installed in Kali Linux. You can find Wireshark over the Kali Tools menu in the Discovery options, but you can run it direct in your terminal by using the command Wireshark. You might need to have patience while Wireshark loads up. Right now, Wireshark is capturing live network traffic. I'm selecting my active Wi-Fi interface, Eth0. This tells Wireshark, listen to all the traffic going through this network connection. Let's click to start capturing. Right now, Wireshark is capturing everything going through my Wi-Fi, and it seems noisy, doesn't it? Well, let's open up a new terminal window, where we shall generate a clean, simple packet we can easily find. We'll use the ping command, which sends a simple ICMP request. The YC1 flag tells ping to send just one packet. We've just created a packet destined for Google's server. It went down our TCP/IP stack, out to the network, and Google replied. Wireshark captured all of it. Let's stop the capture. Now, since Wireshark captured every protocol you can think of, and that's including our generated ICMP protocol, we are going to filter everything for only our ICMP protocol by using the Filter tab. Here are our two packets, my request and Google's reply. Click on the first one. Now look at this middle panel. This is the moment where theory meets reality. Let's read this from the down to top, just like encapsulation. Frame or the physical layer. This is the raw data on the Wireshark, our network access layer. Ethernet 2 or our data link layer. Here are the MAC addresses for my device and my router, Internet Protocol version 4, or the network layer. Boom. Here it is, the IP header. You can see the source and destination IP addresses we animated. Internet Control Message Protocol, or our application layer. And here's our actual ping message data. Every layer we modeled in 3D is right here in a real packet. This might not make sense now, but it will when you do it yourself hands-on. If you haven't seen the 3D animation that explains all these layers, I'll leave a link on the screen and in the description. check out the Networking Visualized playlist. For more hands-on guides like this, subscribe and check out the new Kali Linux Tutorials playlist. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see analyzed next.